Watermarks are a fantastic way to add your logo to your images. You can do this to protect the images that your own designer has created. You can do this just to add some great branding to the different images you're posting, to add a little bit more branding to your news feed and all of your social networks. There's many ways to use watermarks. Some people even create really neat little frames just to give kind of a nice consistent look to their timeline. So I'm going to show you how to do this. First thing I'm going to do though is add an image to my post. So let's just grab this random image we have here. And I don't have any watermarks added, so I'm going to click Add Watermark. So first thing I'm going to do here is upload a logo. It can be any image actually. So I am just going to grab a random image here. Let's grab the Instagram logo. So you notice this is a little too large, so you can really dial this in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, I'm just going to say Instagram logo. You would never want to put somebody else's logo on your images, but so select your own image. Next thing I'm going to do is decide on a position. Most people just choose bottom right, but you can move it to the left or the top, and this is just a default. You can change it later. So I'm going to keep it at the bottom right, and what I'll do is change that opacity. Opacity is the transparency, so 0 is invisible. So as you can tell, I'm going to go a little darker here just so people can see it if it's my logo here. And size, let's bring this down to something a little more manageable. And padding is the distance it is from the outside of the image. So I want it to be pretty close to the corner there. Let's create this. And that's it. Now I will always be able to select Instagram logo. And if you want to make any changes, you can click that little edit icon and go back. Note that I've made this the default watermark. And when you do that, that's the one that's going to be selected each time. If you don't want watermark selected by default every time you create a new post, just go over, first of all, I'm going to cancel this. You could delete it, but I'm going to cancel this. Just go on over to Workspace Preferences and Company Settings. And within Company Settings, you're going to be able to switch off having watermarks apply by default.